Welcome back to Nerd Chic Gaming in the Nerdazeum. Today we're going to open a box of Rise of the Combiners Transformers trading card game. So I gotta tell you, I like this game. I mean, I like this card game and the card art. I know the game has been pretty much ended at this point. It might come back later, but I still love the designs, the art, and everything. And I think every real, true collector of all things Transformers just can't help themselves with these cards. Whether the game was a hit or not, these jokers are cool. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. You can see that this one has not been opened. I've got multiple boxes that have not been opened, and I decided I'm going to do one with you guys so you can see what's inside and see what it's like to open a box. If you want to buy one, and of course I'm selling these boxes as well as other boxes on eBay, which is a lot of fun. You might even be able to get a card that's featured in this box. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I love the combiners. On my Nerdazeum channel, you can see a lot of the combiners I own and that kind of stuff through my videos. I'm doing quite a few videos on those. I'd love to get him. Oh my goodness, look at that. All right, so let's go ahead and open some cards. What do you want to? Let's do it. So the hardest ones to get right now are the Titans ones. Titans Return cards, but fun. Let's see what we got in here. Gotta be super careful with these guys because you can easily mess the big ones up. Look at that. Thrust, Supersonic, and Interceptor. Love it. You get one big one. I like how they put these in here for support. That's really cool. There's Thrust. Nice. Nice. That over here. You've got that packaging there, and this is the regular cards, the other cards. You get one of the big ones, and then you get the other ones are small ones. Armor plating, field repair, fling, testify, espionage. Nice. I love the art. My goodness, where were these when I was a kid? Just a lot of fun. I do these videos because I want you guys to be able to see what's possible, and then you don't have to take the risk if you don't want to. Look, Blue Streak. Look at that. Nice. Had that car when I had this one whenever I was younger. The G1 version, of course. Anyway, then you don't have to take the risk that I'm taking. You can see kind of what you can expect in a whole box. And I think, honestly, some of the other base packs or the other versions have more of the base level guys that I like. But these are great for extending the game. Get some great art. You're really only getting one big character card in these. We're gonna get something cool. Ooh, here we go. Look at that. Here we go. Superion, baby. Sky Protector. Now we're talking air raid. I'm liking it. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put that over there because that's the first big combiner I've got. I bought the Devastator combiner box because I just wanted Devastator since I had it when I was a kid. Sentinel, Stunticon, Enigma. That's cool. If you have Minosaur, that's cool. That's a nice piece of art. Love it. I would love to get Predaking or something. That'd be cool. Pull one of those out of here. I think that's probably my top favorite combiner. Windblade. Oh, that's cool. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. Nice. I've gotten some really cool cards in some prior packs like Nemesis Prime and Prime. Nice. Here we go. All these, I should have pre-started the opening. I usually pre-start opening before I record. I just jumped into it because I was so excited. Oh. Look. Who is it? It's Fireflight. Sky High Recon. I believe we are going to get Superion in this one. That's cool. I'm going to open only a couple more of these small ones because you guys are seeing it's primarily just support cards. It's not really, you know, actual cards. The real card to look at is the big one. So for the rest of this video, I'm just going to open the big ones. And now you know. For some of the other cards, the other packs, the base sets, you get more participants, I'd say, or more actual Transformers than just their pieces like that. Oh, Sunstreaker, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, cool. Optimus Maximus. Cool. Go ahead and set that over there. Another one we're starting. Wonder if we'll get a full one out of this or not. We'll see. I'd love to get a full combiner. That would be a win. Nova Star. That's cool. I've got that actual Transformer. Hard one to find. In Return of the Titans, it's real hard to find. So you can see what you can expect. You can expect a lot of the support cards, like Escape Route and that kind of thing. And your big, oh, look, that's a shiny. Oh my goodness. Cool. Alpha Bravo. We are seeing some Superion. That's 3 for Superion that I've gotten out of this pack. Looking like we're going to get close. Yep. Skydive. Boom. Look at that. So good. Let's keep going. Just a few more and we're finished with this set. This box. Oh, I see another one. Look at that. One of my favorites. Grimlock. Someday, guys, I'll show you later my favorite Grimlock. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. That is so awesome. I love the art. Boom. Another one. Another one. So, so cool. Let's see what we got here. Bumblebee! Oh my goodness, it's B. Good deal. Great card. Wave 2 Bumblebee. Love it. And see, we're getting still. Those are just extra action cards and whatever. Oh, my friends. What did I say I wanted? I said I wanted Predacon. Look at that. Predacon Rampage. Boom. I see some Predacon. Predacon. Love it. Let me see some Predacon. Oh, Minosaur is coming our way. Look at that. I love it. We ain't wasting no time here. We are getting some pieces. So I've gotten now the start of 4 combiners. So that's cool. So that, you know what? Hopefully this helps you guys. If you're looking to get them, I've gotten the start of 4 combiners here. Look at that, Silver Bolt. We are closing in on the end. Look at that. Boom. Awesome. Oh, yay. Dinobot Swoop. I love Swoop. Volcanicus. The Dinobots are here. I've actually got that combiner. I'll have to do a video on it on my Nerdazeum channel so you guys can see it. And if you're not following me on the Nerdazeum channel and you like that kind of thing, you need to follow. Go find it. Autobot Mirage. Look at that. Boom. We're closing in on Optimus Maximus, baby. Cool. Razor Claw. Predacon Leader. Look at that. Predaking, my friends. Oh, of course, the one that's on the package. All right. If you stay with me this long, tell me what your favorite combiner is. I'd love to hear what your favorite combiner is. Cool. Dreadwing, Blackwing. Nice. Wow. Very, very nice. Very cool. I love it. I didn't know that one would be in here. So cool. Sky Destroyer. So cool. I mean, they're taking every different kind of combiner. Not just the ones that combine to make a big robot. Oh, look at... Okay, so here's the packet for that one. Again, more action cards. And there's Dreadwing. Blackwing. Thought for a second there I had the whole thing. That would have been cool to get the bottom with the second pack, the next pack. Who would have known if it happened? Oh, one of my favorites. One of my favorites. Ironhide. I love Ironhide. Closing in some Optimus Maximus, baby. Anyway, if you shared your favorite combiner, who's your favorite Transformer? You just heard that Ironhide's one of my favorite Transformers. All time, for sure. Boom. Look at this. Predaking, baby. Ferocious Hunter. We got Dive Bomb. Boom. Woo-hoo. I think I only need a few more, and I got me some Predaking. Oh, cool. I just got him. Brand new from Hasbro Pulse. Look at that. Drag strip. Wow. Nicely done for Minosaur. Have I got him yet? Let's see. Where have I got? Yep. So cool. All right. Oops. Here we go. Boom. That's a good card. Well, I got a really, really good card out of all this too. Megatron. Boom. Arrogant Ruler. And that's a great card. Then some of these are making the box worth the purchase, you know. So of course I bought these boxes way back. And just now have gotten time to start vlogging all this stuff. So, but they're worth a whole lot more now. Harder to get. All right. Grapple. Wow, nicely done. Nice, nice. Got another Silver Bolt, looks like. Yep, another Silver Bolt. So Superion's got a couple duplicates for me. A few more packs to go. You guys are hanging in there, I'm shocked. But hey, this is the only way you can know what's in the box. So the risk is on me, not you, right? It's the joy of opening it. Autobot Mirage. Put that up there with my pile for Optimus Maximus. Who we got here? Oh, cool. Another one I had from when I was a kid. Warpath. Look at that. Did you guys have any of these G1s, or do you have any of these G1s currently? Be cool to hear if you do. Share what ones you got in the comments. Look at that ruckus. Here we go. We're getting to the end of it. Dreadwind again. Oh, man, I just want the other half. Oh, no, that is. Oh, my goodness, I did get the other half, guys. Here's the first combiner. I can confirm I got out of the box. Look at that. Boom. Dreadwing. Got him. Nice. Okay, let's see if we got any other combiners fully here. I think I might have one more. I'm not sure. We'll put it together and see. So you can see, this is what you can expect from a box. So I got 2 full sets of Dreadwing because I have 2 duplicates of those. Let's see what else we got here. I believe the second closest I got was Optimus Maximus, which is right here. Yep. It's going to be, I got 3 of his pieces. Yeah, 3 of his pieces right there. Pretty much something like that. So that's cool. Got a duplicate there. I got 3 of Predaking. Boom, that's nice. Got 2 of Volcanus. Volcanicus, sorry. I say it wrong all the time. I catch myself after I say it too. And then Superion. Same one. Oh, they don't fit perfectly. Look at that, guys. Things I didn't know. Oh, I did get the whole one. So look at that. I've got the whole Volcanicus. I did not understand how they do it. Wow. I mean, the whole Superion. So I've got a full Superion, guys. Look at that. How about it? So that ended up being worth it after all. And then on top of it, I got 2 of these guys. Boom, boom. And then you can see the rest is here. Ruckus, Warpath, Grapple. Some of my favorites. Megatron and Bumblebee, totally worth it. Autobot and Novastar. Windblade, I love Windblade. Blue Streak and Thrust. Some great, great, great Transformers. All right, that's it. You guys, share with me your favorite wins. Did you get any great combiners? What combiners have you got, both in physical Transformers? Share it in the comments. And share with me the combiners you got in the game. I'd love to hear from you. Y'all take care. Thanks for tuning into Nerd Cheat Gaming and the Nerdazeum. Bye now.